الحمد لله الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى وأشهد أن محمدا صلى الله عليه وسلم أمر أمته بالتمسك بسنته وأوصى. أما بعد. Dear President, honorable teachers, dear judges and listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I stand before you to talk about a cry that echoes through the ages, a cry for justice in Palestine for decades. The Palestinian people have been suffering under occupation, displacement and oppression. Their cry for freedom, dignity and justice has been ignored, suppressed and denied. The Quran reminds us, يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا قوامين بالقسط شهداء لله ولو على أنفسكم أو الوالدين والأقربين. O you who believe, stand out firmly for justice as witnesses to Allah, even if be against yourselves, your parents and your relative. The situation in Palestine is a humanitarian crisis. People are struggling to survive, to live with dignity and to have hope for a better future. Children can't go to school, families are torn apart and communities are destroyed. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Al-Muslimuna karajulin wahid, in ishtaka aynuhu ishtaka kulluhu, wa in ishtaka ra'suhu ishtaka kulluhu. Muslims are like one body. If his eye is in pain, his whole body is in pain. If his head is pain, his whole body is in pain. The Palestinian people are strong and resilient. They continue to fight for their rights, for their freedom, and for their dignity. They want to live like everyone else, with peace, security, and respect. The Quran says, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ, and we have certainly honored the children of Adam. Brothers, let's stand together with the Palestinian people. Let's demand justice, equality and freedom for all. We can create a world where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. A world where every child can go to school, every person can live with hope. The cry for justice in Palestine is not just a Palestinian issue. It's a human issue. It's a call to stand for justice, equality, and freedom for all. Let's stand together for justice, equality, and freedom in Palestine and around the world. We can be the change we want to see in the world. May Allah guide us and support us in this endeavor. Thank you. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.